Friends, today I am with a new smartwatch which is Fastrack Revolt FS1. In this video we are going to talk about all the features what Fastrack Revolt FS1 is offering. So let's check out the video first. Now, if you see the box packaging, it looks pretty much premium box packaging. It shows that it comes with a 1.83 Ultra VU display. The price what is written is 3,995 and it is in the blue color. The app, if you scan this, you can download the app. It is available for Android and also for the iOS ecosystem. It comes with the 100 plus sports mode. It has a super fast charging. It comes with the advanced activity tracker, all-round health tracking. It comes with the quick replies, intelligence, voice assistant. The highlight feature is the Bluetooth calling. Now coming to the dial, it comes with the square dial and it looks pretty much premium. It is in the blue color. We will talk about the colors later on, what are the available colors. I am just peeling off the plastic from the front and the back, and I definitely recommend you to do so. If you don't pull the plastic from the back side, it will not give you the accurate tracking of your activities or your heart. Now taking off the above shell, here you can see few things. It includes the paperwork inside the box. There is the strap which is also in the blue color, and there is a magnetic pogo pin charger which comes inside the box. Talking about the paperwork, it comes with the user manual and also the warranty card. I definitely recommend you guys to check this out and also see some of the settings what it is offering. Now coming to the charging pin, it has a USB type A charging port at one side, another is the magnetic pogo pin charger. I will definitely show you guys how it charges, how it works. First, I will attach the strap with the dial. It is very easy. Now coming to the colors, it will be coming in 4 colors: black, blue, green and teal color. What we got is the blue color of the review unit. You can also purchase the green color, teal color and the black color. Now coming to the attachment of the straps, which can be easily done. As you have seen in the video, you can do that manually. It doesn't take much time and effort also. Now coming to the device, it has a 1.83 inch display. You can see there is only one physical button on the right side. Other than that, it doesn't have any physical buttons. Coming to the strap is made of silicone and it is definitely a premium quality strap. And now coming to few more things, it comes with a 24/7 heart tracking monitor inbuilt in it, and it has a mic. When you are doing the Bluetooth calling, it works perfectly fine. I will definitely like to show you. It has the speakers on the left side, which can be seen here, the two holes which are showing of the speakers, and I have tried and tested the audio quality, which I will definitely give the verdict later on. And there is a noise cancellation mic which is present on the right side above the physical button, which can be seen very easily. Now coming to the charging part, your smartwatch can be have a battery less or high, but to start your smartwatch you need to put it into charging. The pogo pin charger will be on the back side. As you can see, it will show you to scan and pair with your smartwatch. First you have to download the app. The app is available on the Android store and also the iOS store. Here you can see the name, which is named as Fastrack Revolt World. So this is the name of the app. You can go and download from the app store. Now the app will ask you to sign up. Before sign up, it will ask to give some permission regarding the internet, Bluetooth, location. It will also ask you to do the battery optimization. You have to allow it. Even it will ask the mobile number, small details. Once you have done, it will ask to give the permission to the camera. So here you can see I'm just giving the permission to the camera, even to the nearby location, and also the Bluetooth, which is switched off, and right now I'm switching it on. Now I have to scan it with the smartwatch. Once the scanning is done, you can see that if the scanning is done properly, it will start pairing and everything will be paired and synced very easily. The single sync, I have tried so many smartwatches, but I will definitely give a thumbs up to the Fastrack's company software which they have embedded, because it is a very seamless integration. It will ask you to give the permission from the smartwatch also at the same time. It will ask to do the pairing with the Bluetooth. It will take few minutes just to do the first setup. It will take some time, but I will definitely recommend you to do that. Now, once we started pairing, it will ask to do the firmware update, which is a great thing, and I will also recommend you guys to do that, because if you are getting a firmware updated, you will get the latest software on your smartwatch and it works flawlessly. The bugs will be fixed. Now it will also ask you to do pair with the Google Fit. It is up to your choice, but I do recommend that you should sync with Google Fit so that the smartwatch will track each and everything in detail. Now it again asks for few more permission. It includes the do not disturb access, where there is allow do not disturb. I have to switch it on manually on my phone. Now we will take a look on the smartwatch features one by one. If you slide from the right to left, you can see there are fitness things, sleep tracking, BPM, the weather, then there is a music control. Now this is the watch theme. There are few more settings. It also shows you battery percentage, connected or not, and the notification. These are the few things, but we will go in detail. I will urge you guys to stay a little longer to check out the complete detail of the smartwatch of Fastrack Revolt FS1, what it is offering, what are the features, and should you buy or not, what are the pros and the cons, everything. But you have to stay a little bit longer for that. The smartwatch also has a IP68 rating, which means it is dust proof and waterproof. Now coming to the settings, you can see few things. It includes, I will show you the camera control. So how the camera control works, I am just tapping out here. You can see the notification is already popped up that it needs to access your camera, and you can capture pictures, images using your smartwatch, which you can see here. I have done that. So this is one thing what you can do using the camera control. Definitely you can do the music control, playing any music in any player, you can change that. Even you can do the find my phone. Once you press it play, you can see there is a notification popping up, and it is on the smartphone. It will tell you that the smartwatch is trying to find out. A small ring will play, and it helps you to find your smartphone where it is if it is lost. So this is how you can do the find my phone. It is very easy, it will not take much time. Now if we talk about few more things, it includes with the settings. So there you will get the watch face. You get the 4 preloaded watch faces which are already pre-installed on your smartwatch. Now if you go to the settings, you can see there is one more setting which comes with the screen time. The minimum is 5 seconds and the maximum is 30 seconds. Now the other thing is the vibration intensity. It can be off, it can be soft, or it can be strong. Now let's check out the app also. In the app what we are getting is the calories, step burn, the sports mode, and also the sleep tracking. Even everything can be monitored here. I will do a small step count where you can see that even the heart rate is been also working, the blood oxygen will also there. So each and everything will be present. It will be on the home page. It will also show you today's status. You can go and check out the calendar for stress also. It includes the multi-sport, whatever sports you are doing, SpO2, and also the heart rate tracking. Now here are the rewards which will be coming soon. Now if we go to the community, you can see the community, the people whom we are competing with, which is a good thing. It also motivates you. Now coming to the watch faces, it has nearly more than 200 watch faces, which is a good thing. And I found very good watch faces here. You can create your own watch faces too. Now I will try a watch face and try to install it on my watch so that I can see how long it takes. It takes very less time, but all this will require you internet connection. So now I will trying to find out a good watch face which suits the personality. Now here is the red one, which will be definitely a contrast one to the blue one. You just have to install the watch face. It will take a very little time, and in the meanwhile I will also show you how much time it takes. It takes less than 2 to 3 minutes. It definitely be also shown on your watch that how much percentage has been done while installing, and it will be the same percentage which will be seen on your smartphone display and also your watch display. Now the watch is been installed, it is showing, and here you can see it installed very quickly. And if you want to explore, you have too many watch faces. It is nearly 200. This is a wish list where you can save the frequently used one can be also seen. You can do a custom, take a photo or choose from your photo gallery and make a watch face. The new thing is that there is also a search where you can search by dial color, dial style. Now here you can see I search by blue, and all the watch faces which has a blue pattern or blue color or blue name will be popping out here. It will be a good thing to make the color combination with your dress and attributes, so it will not take much time. If you go last, which is a setting, in that you can see your name, even all the apps which will give you notification, you can manage them, and even you can put your picture as DP. You can change your step goals, which I currently now putting it into 5,000 steps. It will take few seconds just to make the goal sure. So here is the new settings done. The health changes, it comes with the auto HR, auto stress, Google Fit, sedentary alert. So the auto HR, if you want to turn it off, you can turn off, which is a heart rate tracker. This is a stress tracker. This is a Google Fit Connect. Then there is a sedentary alert, which means that you are sitting for a longer time. It will make you alert for that. Hydration reminder will be if you are not drinking water for a longer time, it will remind you. There is a high heart rate alert also. If your heart rate is pumping high, it will update you for the same. Now if you go for my watch, it has find my watch unit system. In the unit system you can change the unit system to the other metrics whatever you like. Currently we have the normal one which we use in India. There is a lift your wrist to view. I will show you that feature very soon. After that there is a favorite contact which you can mark them. There is unpair, there is alarm, there is DND mode, there is also weather settings, music control, Bluetooth calling. There's update your watch, which I have already updated. There's general, which is the battery optimization, which we have done at the first time when we were pairing. So these are the few settings which you can go and check it out. I will recommend you go for the best settings which I have put in this video so that you get the best result. Now taking a quick look on the watch, first you are getting a fitness option where it will show you the step count, calorie and the kilometer traveled. There's a multi sports which has 110 plus your sports activity which you can track, and all the records will be here. There is a sleep monitor, there is a heart rate monitor. So I will little bit fast forward this video so that you guys don't get any time waste, and we are getting a record of 94 bpm. Now if you go to the SPO monitor, I will also put measure. It will take some time and give the SPO2 result, but I will definitely also tell you guys if anything is serious, do consult with a doctor. Don't depend on any smartwatch or any gadget. If you think it is serious, just meet the doctor. Here you can see the stress is 51, which is medium. The SpO2 is 99, which is also good. Above 93, 94 is a good thing. There is a dial pad, there is contact, there is recent call. This is of the phone, you can directly call from here. It comes with the AI voice also, which is inbuilt. There are 4 games which are present in the smartwatch. You get a music control. Camera control, I have already shown you how it controls the camera, and you can click pictures using your smartwatch. You can also check your breathe. There is weather. The weather is mostly synced with your smartwatch. It needs internet to get synced. There's alarm. In the alarm you can add 3 or 4 alarms. There's stopwatch. If you go to next, it comes with the timer. You can set a timer for yourself. There's a find my phone which I have already shown you. This is the torch. If you're in the dark place, you can switch on the torch. And this is notification. All the notification what are in your smartphone will be visible here. It is very easy. Now if you go to the settings, there is power off, reset, about and restart. These are the options what you are getting in the settings. There is a watch face. You can change the watch face. Ultimately you get 4 watch faces, and if you install more it will be seen here. So all the watch faces can be accessible, and currently I am putting one of my favorites. Then there is a screen time. The maximum screen time is 30 seconds and the minimum is 5 seconds. The menu style can be also changed. It can be changed from grid style to list style. So I will just show you the grid style, and here you can see the grid style. It is all in the grid. I do like the list style. It is much more easier, so I'm just switching on the list style. Now if you go to the vibration, I have told you guys the vibration. There is the intensity, off, you can soft, and you can have a strong vibration. Now after vibration there is sound settings. If you go to the sound settings, you can have ring collar phone or you can have only vibration. You also get the phone settings which have Bluetooth calling and media calls. You get a QR code to scan to pair with the smartphone. Now these are the settings what you are getting if you are swiping from the left to right, and which is very easy. If you swipe from right to left, you will be back on your home screen, and then if you swipe again from right to left, you can see the fitness, you can see the sleep, you can see the heartbeat record, you can see the weather, the music app, and then again back to the home screen. If you swipe from the top, you can see, you can mute, it can be placed into DND. You can change the brightness also. You can have the low power mode on. You can unsync. You can also have phone BT calling or media calling or not. You can go back again to the setting and you can see the battery percentage, the date, day, everything, and it is sync or paired or not with your smartwatch. Even you can see the notification if you swipe from the bottom towards upside. So these are the all the features what you are getting. Now I will show you the Bluetooth calling. I asked my brother to call me, and here you can see how it pops up. You can pick the call by green button, red you can disconnect your call. It will show the missed call, and then again if I get a call I can put it on a speaker, I can talk with it directly. Here you can see I can switch it directly to the smartphone, and even with the I can mute that. So it does give you the complete access of the Bluetooth calling. It works very easily and there is no hiccup. The pairing and sync is also very smooth. Now you can also give the quick reply via text, and I will show you. Here is the quick reply. You have to go and enable it from the settings app, but I am not doing right now. Now talking about the physical key, it will put in a sleep mode and it will wake up. So this is the general thing. It will also works the lift the wrist to wake. Here you can see I am just putting the lift and it works very easily. And if you longer press the button, it will show you to power off, reset and restart. These are the three options what you are getting from it. The price of the Fastrack Revolt FS1 is 1695, and it will be available through Flipkart. So this is all about the Fastrack Revolt FS1. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.